morning, everyone. Welcome again to yet another episode of Campus Chronicles, where I, Annu Yadav of Class 8, the host of this week's edition of the Campus Chronicles, will be taking you through the weekly dose of our school's exciting activities. Gandhiji's life teaches the values of truth, non-violence, and simplicity. I will show you the highlights of coloring activities, which is a part of Gandhi Jayanti celebration, where the students put their artistic skills to the test. The second and third class students are bringing black and white pages to life in a burst of vibrant hues, thus celebrating the joy of creativity. Different extracurricular activities not only teach a spirit of teamwork but also add a spark of excitement among the students. Dussehra, a major Indian festival that symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Class 1 students are demonstrating their skills through the Dussehra activity. You all can see that children are so nicely dressed up to portray their character. This beautiful presentation teaches us to be honest, brave, and to follow the path of goodness. Quiz competition tests participation, knowledge across various subjects. Quiz competition tests participation, knowledge across various subjects. Today we have inter-house GK quiz and science quiz for classes 6 to 8. Such competition teach a broad range of academic and personal skills, build confidence, foster teamwork, and prepare students for competitive environment. Our students are skillful, showcasing their expertise and knowledge. You have to unscramble the words on this one. All work and no play makes one a dull person. Yes, studies and sports both take place simultaneously at Mother of India. Learning and creativity both come alive. Under the guidance of sports teacher, the children have started preparing for the opening ceremony of the sports day, which will be held on the month of October.
Painting has come up as a very interesting option. It not only enhances the artistic skills of the students but also open doors of new career options for them. The students of class 11th are busy putting up their skills on the canvas and giving colors to their imagination.
Listening skills are a very important part of learning. And here are the students of class 11th practicing the listening skills, which plays an important role in learning a language. The students practice this as a part of their curriculum, which will help them in their future endeavors also.
Physical fitness is an important part of a person's life, and physical education is a subject that encompasses both theoretical knowledge and practical learning. The student practice various kinds of exercise in physical education as it's a subject with stress on physical health. The physical education practicals are meant to create awareness among the students regarding their physical fitness, and it gives a chance to the mentor to test the physical health of the students.
Science is a world of wonder. Science activities encourage students to think outside the box, experiment with new ideas, and find unique solutions to problems, which stimulates their creative thinking. Let me take you to the glimpse how our prep and nursery class students are eager to learn. Their nurture lifelong curiosity and even
The event started with the lighting of the lamp
of knowledge untamed fluently creates to mass Saraswati. May her blessings always guide us. In the capacity building program, the resource person is helping the teachers to develop strategies for creating a positive learning environment, maintaining student conduct, and fostering the student engagement.
You all have some other arguments, but you all are not ready to make your notebooks. Children, this argument is not going to end up anywhere. You need to listen to your teacher.
Invite
The
our
training
learned
helps
resource person,
to
Mrs.
enhance
Pooja
the
Bose.
teacher's capabilities to handle the students in class, and with this we come to the end of the event by
I now
felicitating
invite our
eminent
revered guest, Mr. Piyush Kumar Pandey. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We are deeply grateful to our revered resource person for sharing her profound knowledge and perspectives with us today. Her presence has indeed added.
Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti was celebrated in the school, and activities were done so that our children know the values of these two great leaders. The children dressed up as Gandhiji and Lal Bahadur Shastri and told about the teachings of both the great leaders. Here the children are raising different slogans that these two great leaders have given during the freedom movement, like Swadeshi Apnao, Desh Bachao, Namak Satyagrah, Bharat Chodo Andolan, etc. The students are enlightened about the different movements that were launched by these two great freedom fighters. Are depicting the slogans that were given by these two great freedom fighters. It is to enlighten all the other students so that they know the values that were given by these two great leaders of our country.
उसके बाद बात करते हैं कि व्हीकल्स को भी कैसे अलाइन लेकर के चले, ठीक है ना? तो
The training has been very helpful in clearing a lot of hurdles while dealing with remedial students. The knowledge provided by resource person has enhanced the capabilities of the teachers to handle the below average students.
Priyanka Sarkar ma'am, please give a huge round of applause for asking the one. And from my side to your principal also for providing me this space. Thank you so much. I hope whatever I discussed or we discussed that we shall implement inside the classroom, because to make the nation is responsibility ours. We are the nation builder, and no child should go from our school undeveloped. This is our responsibility.
So we come to the end of today's event by
Thank you, sir.
felicitating the eminent guest.
I now invite our honorable guest, Mohammad Tanveer. Thank you, sir. I now invite our revered guest, Mr. Manoj Singh. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.